Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add product sidebar filter on your Shopify store. So it's very easy. First, you can go to your Shopify dashboard and then go to your online store here. Then go to themes. After that, you can go to customize here. And then in the top on the navigation, you can click it and go to collections and click default collection. And after that, this is my product. Just for sample, and as you can see the filter is on the top and we want to make it in the left on the sidebar. So it's very easy, you can just click this one, product grid, and then as you can see you can change anything actually, and we can focus here on filter layout. You can change it from horizontal to vertical, and so you have the sidebar filter on the left. So yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.